No witness fall, no siren in the sky. Just 245 grams with a billion-year alibi. A catalog number walk from silence into light. Northwest Africa, 8179. Before a desert wind ever sanded the scars, a carbon-rich planetesimal was cooking beneath stars. Primitive Achondrite, ultramafic archive, partial melt residue with mantle memory alive. Protogranular fabric, coarse grains locked tight. Olivine held the framework, pigeonite caught light. Forced to write 76, iron riding inside. Chromium in the lattice, calcium low on the side. Carbon-filled interstices, black script between phases. Reduction rims form metal through oxygen-starved mazes. 40 micron borders made ferric pride retreat. Chemistry flipped the kingdom, stone manufactured steel. Orthopyroxene entered where the textbook said rare. An outlaw phase in residence, contraband in the pair. No crown, no throne, yet the mineral code held laws. Pressure wrote the Constitution, heat ratified each clause. Read the rim, every gradient keeps testimony. Female G plots turn fracture into ceremony, not treasure from heaven. This is evidence with weight. A shattered world speaking through a polished plate. Then impact hit hard with catastrophic grammar. Shock metamorphism swung an astronomical hammer. Undulatory extinction made the crystal optics wave. Every grain bent light like a signal from a grave. Cataclastic texture, angular syllables collided. Monolith got edited, multiple histories braided. Polymixed, wretched, different neighborhoods compressed. Foreign lithic fragments in the carbonaceous vest. No obvious chondrules, still the matrix told truth. Silicate whispers, magnetite in the booth. Plagioclase flash briefly, an anesthetic clue. Argite cross pigeonite with the wider pyroxene view in 88. Wolf form at an 80, whoa, 8. High temperature equilibrium left numbers at the gate. 1250 Celsius, then the thermal curve descended. 1 degree per hour till 800 finally ended. Oxygen fugacity, iron wistite, -1 redox. Made a fingerprint, no counterfeit could fake. Apparent world rupture left architecture undone. Debris reassembled, dot of rubble around the sun. That is the punchline. Broken does not mean erased. The ruin can preserve what a perfect rock misplaced. Each class becomes a witness. Every boundary cross-examines. Chaos built the archive. Collision kept the statements. Long transit, cold vacuum, orbital roulette. Then Earth wrote the final line the cosmos had not set. No observer logged arrival, no calendar caught flames. Sahara held the evidence before science gave a name. Terrestrial alteration set rust through every seam, but oxidation could not cancel the parent body dream. Tamara winter 2013 approaching close. Then a thin section opened what the outer surface froze. Back scattered electrons due to provinces in gray. X-ray elemental maps make calcium betray an intact lithology beside a brecciated zone. Wavy contact like a fault line through ancestral stone. 70% olivine, 20 pigeonite, 10% carbon mineral elongated through the night. Microprobe bars landed precise, no folklore in the cadence. Petrology brought receipts, mineralogy brought patience. A quarter-kilo relic turned the laboratory loud. Small mass, massive pass, let the data move the crowd. Not jewelry, not magic, not a superstition token. The sample is a courtroom where the solar system has spoken. From protogranular order to a polemic confession. From reduction rim metal to shockwave recollection. 8179 carries genesis through damage. When a world loses form, its fragments keep the language. Catalogs, Ureilite, it decoded as survival. Impact was the producer. The brush, you kept the vinyl.